Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his monthly Mann Ki Baat address on July 26, said India is continuously scaling new heights in defense production, defense exports, and strategic cooperation with friendly nations. On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, the Prime Minister paid tribute to the soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the 1999 Kargil War. He said July 26 is a day of pride that reminds the nation of the extraordinary courage and sacrifice of India's brave soldiers. Highlighting India's defense capabilities, Modi said INS Mahendragiri was recently inducted into the Indian Navy. He noted that the warship was built in India with more than 75% indigenous content, calling it a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat. He also said DRDO successfully tested the Pinaka long-range guided rocket and the Kusha missile, adding that these achievements reflected the dedication of Indian scientists and engineers. The Prime Minister said India's global standing in defense was growing. Referring to his recent Indonesia visit, he said agreements on BrahMos and Astra missiles showed increasing international confidence in Indian defense technology. Modi also congratulated the team behind Vikram 1, India's first privately developed orbital rocket. He said opening the space sector to private companies had allowed young innovators to achieve what was once considered impossible. He also urged people to support the Catch the Rain campaign for water conservation and congratulated PV Sindhu on becoming the first Indian to win the Japan Open title. He also praised the Indian women's cricket team for registering their first ever test victory at Lord's. Ahead of National Handloom Day on August 7, the Prime Minister appealed to people to support weavers and strengthen the spirit of vocal for local.